Greetings and welcome to class. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the Unit 2 assignment, what is required, and how to find everything you need in order to get this assignment done. Unit 2 assignment is due by the end of this unit, which is Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Standard Eastern Time. As you can see, I am on our home page, so this is where we land when we get into our classroom. Click on Content. I want you to scroll down till you see Unit 2. Under Unit 2, find Assignment and click on that. You'll want to scroll up to the assignment to see all the pieces of information. Here you'll find information about the assignment details, what you're going to be required to do, the grading rubric, so basically how and what I'm looking for when I grade the assignment, and the Unit 2 assignment Dropbox. Let's start with the Unit 2 assignment. Go ahead and click to receive information about this assignment. For this assignment, you're going to create an ethical theories comparison chart. Now, this particular assignment requires you to compare the different ethical theories that we will be using over and over in this class. This might be one of the most important assignments in this class, even though it's one of the assignments that's worth the least amount of points. In this assignment, you're going to, and I will download the comparison chart to show you, you're going to compare these theories: utilitarianism, ethical egoism, ethics of care, Kantianism, also called duty ethics, prima facie duties, divine command theory, and virtual theory. For each of these theories, you need to explain how good is determined. So, for example, good is determined under utilitarianism by making sure that we maximize the most good for the most amount of people with our decision-making processes. Ethical egoism, ethics of care, Kantianism, prima facie duties, divine command theory, and virtue ethics all have a different way in which we calculate how good is determined by our actions. You can find all of these answers in the assigned readings from last week and this week. For each theory, you need to note the most noted philosophers. There's usually one or two. For the divine command theory, this is just a divine being. For the major strengths and major weaknesses, you need to list at least 2 major strengths and 2 major weaknesses for each of these different theories. Let's go back to the classroom. Make sure to read the directions very carefully so that you understand what you are about to do. If you have any questions or concerns about this and you don't understand or you don't know where to find things, it's a good idea to email me at rebecca.mccarthy@kaplan.edu. Let's go back up to the assignment. The next thing I want you to do is click into the rubric. This is the grading rubric for the assignment. Now, what I give you looks a little bit different when I grade it, but I grade with this specific rubric in mind. So if you want to get a good grade on it, make sure that you are following the directions of the grading rubric. But also make sure that your presentation is well presented. That is, the writing is strong, there is no spelling errors, that you have cited everything that you have taken specifically from the book. This not only helps me understand whether or not you know how to avoid plagiarism and cite your materials, but it also gives you a good reference of where to go back and look for these terms later on when we work through them in the class. Okay, I'm going to go back to the class now. Go back to the assignment. And finally, here is the assignment Dropbox. Click on this link, and I've already submitted one to demonstrate, but I will submit another one. What you want to do is you want to upload an assignment. You want to find the assignment you're going to submit. Leave me a message. Submit. And you can see that you have actually submitted your assignment when you get this message below. And that is it. Your assignment for this week is due at the end of the unit, which is Tuesday, 11:59 p.m. Standard Eastern Time. Good luck, and don't forget to email me if you have questions.